Plans for a new £350 million hospital in the West Midlands, which have been on the cards for decades, have been given the green light by the government.
The Chancellor, George Osborne, made the announcement today and said patients would benefit from state-of-the-art facilities. The project will also create jobs and boost the local economy, as Rajiv Popat reports.
So what do? You check with the family and you check that they're ready to receive them?
The Chancellor of the Exchequer meeting staff at Rowley Regis Hospital today. George Osborne was in the West Midlands to announce plans for a £353 million new hospital in Smethwick.
The Midland Metropolitan will have the latest surgical theatres, the latest A&E technology, and we're going to go on investing in hospitals like Rowley Regis here. And this multi-million pound commitment is only possible because we have a long-term economic plan, and it's proof that unless you have a long-term economic plan, you can't secure the future of the NHS.
Some of the existing services like A&E departments at other sites operated by Sandwell and West Birmingham Hospitals NHS Trust will be replaced.
What it will particularly allow us to do is to practice medicine in multidisciplinary teams. So groups of doctors, groups of nurses, groups of therapists, in a way that we currently cannot because we work across two large acute hospitals. So on a 7-day-a-week basis, we're going to be able to improve outcomes through this announcement today.
The new hospital will serve around 5.5 million people. The NHS Trust and the Chancellor believe it's good news for the whole of the region, but particularly the local economy.
I think this is fantastic for the West Midlands. It's going to create lots of jobs in the construction phase, but I hope also it's going to draw people from the local community into working at the hospital. Very good news.
It is very good news.
The 670-bed hospital will be funded by the public and private sector.
To make the hospital, the industry will need a lot of builders and all that, electricians, builders, the roofers. Fantastic, super news. I'm very, very happy.
I think it'll serve the community, and obviously if it's a big hospital, a lot more people will be able to get in for appointments.
I think it's long overdue really for the Midland area, including the West Bromwich area, you know.
If it works for the economy, that's fair enough. If people that are on the waiting list, because some of them are waiting lists for like 3 months, 4 months, and they don't even get the benefits, not even on a normal doctor's. Now, if that facility can be pressed and that can do quicker, that's fair enough.
Work on the 16-acre site is expected to start in 2 years, with a view to admitting new patients by 2019. Rajiv Popat, ITV News, Rowley Regis.
Well, a spokesperson for the health union Unison told ITV News Central, whilst we welcome today's announcement, the hospital is being paid for in part by cuts to other areas of the NHS. Plans for the hospital have been around for some time, but only now is it getting the go-ahead as we get nearer to a general election.
A woman has